We were sent this, what I like to call like an industrial popsicle maker for our review. And I'm really excited because this thing looks so fancy. I've always had those like terrible cheapy ones, and this thing is heavy duty. So you can actually make 20 popsicles at one time, which is really awesome. Kind of makes me want to start like my own little popsicle stand. So the nice thing is they give you 2 packs of popsicle sticks. So you are nice and ready, and they even give you these little baggies, so once they are ready, you can actually stick them in here, and like, I don't know, I'm thinking like little labels on here, like I'm making my own, you know? So what we're gonna do is I've just kind of made my own little like contraption juice type thing that we're gonna try. So from what I've gathered, you're gonna grab these like this because it's gonna open them up, and this is how you're going to get your popsicle sticks in there. So we're just gonna make 4 for now for the sake of the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those in there. And then when you let go of underneath, see, now they are attached, which is really great. And so as I said, I made my own little something something. Hopefully this is gonna taste delicious. So I'm just gonna pour, are these the right ones? Nope, that's not even the right ones. That's all right. We're just gonna pour it in here. It's still going to be great. I see little fill lines in here. I'm assuming, obviously, so you know like the amount, but we're going to go ahead. Let me just top this one up. We're trying this together. That's probably way too full, but we're just going to see what's going to happen. So I'm just going to go ahead, and then super easy, you just plop this on top here like that. And then we're going to put this in the freezer, and we're going to come back and see what they look like. Okay, so these were in the freezer overnight, so I am going to pull this off for the first time to check them out. Look at that. Now, of course, these are not just going to slide right out of there. This is all, you know, heavy duty metal. I'm probably just gonna put this in a little bit of warm water to get it melted a little bit to loosen them up. And then we're gonna pull those out, and I'm gonna show it to you. I literally just ran the bottom part under warm water for like 5 seconds, and look at this. It just slides right out. Oh, I made this. How cool. It is like the perfect popsicle. Of course, you can do any flavor combos, anything you want to do. I absolutely love that it comes with these little baggies so I can slip them in there, put in my freezer. These are so good. Let's see. Walter, what do you think? The best homemade popsicles ever. Even comes with a little wand to clean that out as well. This thing, gonna get a lot of use out of.